to show you how to put together the delta base for the perimeter frame panel. You need a screwdriver with Phillips head. You need a channel, delta base, and 4 screws. So what I like to do is I take the channel, turn it upside down, and have the curved side face away from me. Then I take the screws and the base, I put them together so the screws are going inside the countersunk holes. You'll know you did this right because it's flush. Then I'll actually assemble it together like this. You know you're doing it right if the delta is pointing away from you, just like the channel curved side is pointing away from you. It'll fit together the other way too, which could probably work. That's not how it was designed. It was intended to be 45-degree angle so you could make 90-degree enclosures, which I'll show you in a moment. So you tighten it down. And you put it on the panel. And that's it. I'm going to show you how you can push these together. So you got 90 degree. So you can create all kinds of spaces. Thanks for watching.